Struggling with thinning hair? Imagine restoring the look of a fuller, thicker head of hair in just seconds. Toppik Hair Building Fibers offer a simple, effective way to cover thinning spots and boost your confidence, without any complicated routines or expensive treatments. Toppik is made from natural, colored keratin protein that carries a static charge. This means the fibers cling tightly to your existing hair, creating a completely natural appearance that's hard to spot. Whether you're facing a little gray or more noticeable thinning, Toppik blends right in, resisting wind, rain, and perspiration throughout your day. When it's time to wash it out, it comes off easily with shampoo. No fuss, no residue. Using Toppik is straightforward. Just dry and style your hair as usual, then shake or spray the fibers onto thinning areas. A gentle pat helps disperse the fibers evenly, locking them in place until your next shampoo. It works on all hair types and textures, making it a versatile solution for anyone looking to improve their hair's appearance quickly and naturally. What you get with Toppik is more than just coverage. It's a boost in how you feel when you look in the mirror. Real customers from across the United States have praised its immediate, noticeable results. One user said, "This product works. You shake it on and notice it immediately. I had a little gray and it covered that as well. Stays in until you wash it out. This is definitely worth it." That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the product's reliability and effectiveness. If you're tired of hiding thinning spots or feeling self-conscious about your hair, Toppik Hair Building Fibers are worth a look. They offer a quick, non-invasive way to enhance your hair's volume and color, helping you face the day with confidence. Try it when you're ready to see what changes a little fiber can make.